patron-requested Ateez high-intensity crazy form dance workout. If you want to make your very own prioritized dance workout requests and support me and my channel, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. We have 50 plus exclusive dance workouts out now. And I have a brand new feature on Patreon that allows you to purchase individual dance workouts that are not publicly available on YouTube. These are all of the songs that I have now as patron exclusives, so what that means is if you sign up to be a monthly patron on my Patreon, you'll have full access to all of these workouts right when you sign up. But if you don't want to commit to the monthly subscription, you're also able to now purchase individual dance workouts, whether that be a single song to your favorite artist or a 20 or 30-minute dance mashup with patron exclusive songs. If you do have any more questions on my Patreon, how to access the videos, how to purchase individual songs, or why I even have a Patreon, please leave me a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to discuss further. Alright guys, let's get dancing!
Get up. Get up. Get up. Now I need to go kick that drum. 나 이거 in the show. 달라라까지 go. 야 이건 미친 품. 아야야야 춤만 춰. 나 이거 in the show. Put 'em up, make them run. 자 이게 미친 품. 가져와 내 트로피. 쉬던 거라 이 터바인. Put up the drum beat. 쳐버려 pump it. 어디로 또 돌아봤냐. 상향 중 아직 걸 나와. 최강 컴만 계속 너가. 펄럭이는 my good friend. 내버려둬 I don't mind. 꽃사 나오면 눈 감아. Time is ticking 너무 빨라. Can't you see I'm a warning sign. 이제 불렀더라. 격하게 털어. Yeah 나봐. 그냥 맘대로 움직여 we go. Now I need to kick that drum. My ego in the show. 달라라까지 go. 야 이거 미친 폼. 아야야야 춤만 춰. 나 이거 in the show. Put 'em up, make them run. 자 이게 미친 폼. Hey, taki dance till the sunrise. Take it, nobody plays like this. 오가다 부다 말로만 blah 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 blah. 힘들어 party 왔다 갔다 step like this. Crazy boys getting 환장. 그다음에 crash만 여기저기 반파. 근본 없는 자식 난 나만 보고 간다. 미쳐있지 passion은 passion은 저 세상을 rock. 그렇게 사이 같은 놈 진짜 처음 보는 놈 시골 돌아버린 놈 I make you screaming I go. 내버려둬 I don't mind. 골사 나오면 눈 감아. Time is ticking 너무 빨라. Can't you see I'm a warning sign. 이제 불렀더라. 격하게 털어. Yeah 나봐. 그냥 맘대로 움직여 we go. Now I need to kick that drum. My ego in the show. 달라라까지 go. 야 이거 미친 폼. 아야야야 춤만 춰. 나 이거 in the show. Put 'em up, make them run. 자 이게 미친 폼. 쏟아져 내려 babe. Ambition in my veins. 기록단을 들어 우리 위하여. Make some noise. 지금 이 순간을 위하여. We changing the game. We dancing every day. We changing the game. 그저 마음대로 움직여 we go. We go. 그저 마음대로 움직여 we go. We go. 그저 마음대로 움직여 we go.
Awesome job guys, workout complete. If you want to make your very own prioritized workout requests and access 50 plus exclusive dance workouts just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you next time.